What's up everybody? You're watching yet another StP Renovation School episode with me, Vladimir Smirnov. Today's video is about wall soundproofing. And we're going to show a step-by-step installation guide, tell you about StP materials for architectural acoustics, speak about the effectiveness of our solutions. So wheels up! First of all, we've measured the walls and calculated the materials. We'll need U-channels, drywall studs, vibro-damping tape noise block 30 and 70 mm wide, noise block panels, drywall sheets, sound insulating membrane noise block 2A. Don't forget to prepare metal screws, pressure pads, concrete nails. You'll also need a rock drill or fastening gun, a screwdriver, a laser level, a builder's level, a tape measure, a utility knife, a marker pen, an angle grinder, and 10 snips. Mark out the framing system for the soundproofing construction. Apply the vibro-damping tape noise block 30 to wall sides of few channels. According to your marking, set and nail U-channels to the ceiling, walls and floor with concrete nails in increments of no more than 40 cm. Set drywall studs in increments of 40 cm. Use vibration isolating clips vibro-lock to fix studs to the walls in increments of no more than 50 cm. Fill in spaces between studs with 27 mm wide sound insulating panels noise block. Fix them with the wings or the vibro-lock plates. To secure the vibration insulating panels on the walls, press them with press pads. Now apply the vibro-damping tape noise block to U-channels and side surfaces of studs. Note that we apply a 30 mm wide tape to U-channels and a 70 mm wide tape to studs. Peel all the protective paper of one side of the tape and stick the tape thoroughly to the surface. Now set and fix drywall sheets on the framing system. Apply noise block 2A to the drywall. Remove protective paper from one side of the material. Cover the entire drywall surface with the material sheets. Press the material with a special roller over the entire surface of sheets. Remove protective paper from another side of the material. Mount the second layer of drywall with the offset of a third of the sheet. That's it, the soundproofing system is installed. Let's look at the results. Thickness of the entire construct is no more than 70 mm. Structure and airborne noise level is reduced by 24 to 28 decibels. The construct has low conductivity. StP materials are easy to use compared to other sound-absorbing materials. All StP products are eco-friendly, they don't peel off and don't involve fine dust. See you in the next video.